up, everyone? This is Prizm PYEC number 2. Anyone wants the Edwards base auto and base non for 75? Let's do it. We'll add the next one soon. It's a new concept. Someone send me 75.
Hi, dude.
Revolution probably tomorrow. It'll be player and team. Revolution, player and team. Probably not parallel out of the gate. Because, you know, the big chase is the kabooms. So 75 for these two.
Do you want me to add?
Yeah, you can have the next one.
Kelly.
Well, the next one's in the store. I think they're 300 and 350. The next one's in the store. All right, anyone want to kill it for 75? It's the Edwards base and autos. Base autos and non-autos. 75. Packs are out. There's P. Benz. Never heard this early.
Yeah.
He's never heard this early.
You're early, P. Benz.
He never comes in. I feel like he says hi first. He doesn't just come in and ask for questions, right?
True.
What does he think he is?
P. Benz.
Someone send me 75.
Come on. They sound sticky.
They're beyond sticky.
That's a good point, Packers.
All right, we will.
All right.
All right. Since we're waiting on someone to send us 75, we're going to show you guys how to like. So, this is how you like. Everyone listen.
Listen.
You see the chat? See it? You see the number and the scissor. Do we see that? Does everyone see the number and the scissor?
The number and the what?
The scissor.
Oh.
It's funny. They are like kind of liking that already. They're like, so what you do is
There's like 5 legs already.
you take any finger in between the number and the scissor and you drag the chat down. Drag it down. And then what you do is you hit the thumbs up. And then to go back to normal, hit live chat. Do we get it? 5 of you get it. 5 of you get it.
Oh, no more get it.
Go, go, go.
Fast, fast,
Maybe
fast.
they're on a delay to see, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, any finger paycheck. Drag, thumbs up, live chat. Drag, thumbs up, live chat.
Drag.
Thumbs up.
Uh-huh.
All right, they kind of listen.
I think like 12 of them liked it.
It's not bad.
No, it's good.
So, does anyone want these last two? for 75. Or if anyone wants the base auto 45, base non-30. The best chance to hit an Edwards rookie auto is the base auto. He is the sensational and the true rookie. Packs are out. We need to do it.
Who's doing it?
We'll just wait here forever.
She did not.
She'll be here soon.
She will.
We'll just sit here. I guess we're just waiting for my mom. The next couple are loose from Instagram. We're finishing off those, and if people still want to do this, we can go into a new case. But I want to do the ones on Instagram. What's up, Ray Lou?
Hi, Ray Lou.
It's the Edwards base auto and the Edwards base non-auto. And if anyone wants to kill it for 75, just so we can do it. What's up, Ray Lou? 75's the kill. The packs are out. So we're just waiting here forever. There's one of the autos. We'll just go really slow. Anyone wants to kill it for 70. Since the packs are out, 70. There's a maxi rookie.
Somebody kill.
What's up, Joe K?
Hello, Joe.
Sekou Hyper. Red. Of Malik Monk. Guys, we're still waiting on a kill. Hernandez.
Yay.
70. Thank you, Hernandez.
Thank you, Hernandez.
Good luck. Ian Edwards for Hernandez. Auto. Gracias.
There's
This
Hernandez.
is Deca before Deca, guys. Downtown Silver of George. We had another one of these. We can come back to it. Elijah Hughes, Ruby Wave. All right. First auto. It's coming. Pritchard, rookie. Blue Ice. Bismack Biyombo. Then Karan Butler, base auto for the East. LeBron.
Yeah, this looks like Deca.
There's Precious Achua, rookie purple. It is crazy seeing so many of these guys are on different teams. You know? Spurs and a master. I don't know. Started pricing yesterday. Mojo. Purple Ice. Baisley. Alfred Payton Mojo. And then there's Cole Anthony. Rookie auto. Cole Anthony. He was solid hit. And this was the new release. Luca Ruby Wave. That's the box. Nothing crazy. Other ones in there. Nothing good. Come back to it.